Hello, this is a video briefing on the upcoming large northwest swells which will impact the Southern California beaches next week. I'm Stephen Harrison and this video is about 3 minutes long. Over the next several days, storms moving over the north-central Pacific Ocean will generate large northwest swells which begin to arrive to our beaches on Sunday. High surf and strong rip currents are likely to occur most of next week from these swells. Surf generally around 5 to 8 feet with higher sets is expected, which will result in dangerous swimming conditions and moderate to significant beach erosion. This slide shows the wind speed and wind direction from one of our forecast models. You can see a storm which is producing strong winds of 40 to 45 knots pointed towards Southern California, generating what will be the first of a series of swells. This swell will build Sunday and peak on Monday. Also notice the storm off to the west. This storm will end up strengthening and creating the second large northwest swell. Here is that second storm at its peak strength on January 17th, with an area of 55 to 60 knot winds pointed towards Southern California. This second swell will arrive late Monday, build early Tuesday, and peak late Tuesday. Another storm system may produce an even larger northwest swell for late next week, as shown here. Forecast models even hint at a possible fourth storm producing a fourth northwest swell, as we see here. Here are the forecasted spectral text bulletins from the WaveWatch 3 at the San Clemente Basin buoy. The 4 numbers on the leftmost column represent the forecast day and time in universal time coordinates. The 3 numbers on the right represent the swell height in feet, the swell period in seconds, and the direction the swell is coming from in degrees. These numbers give us a good idea as to when the swells will build, peak, and diminish, as well as how high the swells will get. What we see here is that the first swell will peak Monday morning, and the second swell will peak Tuesday afternoon. That's it for this marine weather briefing. Here are some links you may find useful for following the swells. Thanks for watching.